Hey friends. Welcome to the channel The Natural Cure. Magical remedy to get natural pink and soft lips. Let's get started. Pretty pink lips are an attractive facial feature, particularly for girls and women. Soft pink lips can brighten anyone's face and add a friendly warm touch to one's smile. The main causes for chapped and discolored lips are dehydration, using cheap quality products, exposing yourself to the sun and pollution, not removing your makeup at night, anemia. How to get soft pink lips naturally. Beetroot juice. Mix 1 tablespoon of beetroot juice with milk and mix well. Apply on lips and leave it for 20 minutes. Wash it off with cold water. Then you will get soft and pink lips. Pomegranate seeds. Crush up the seeds of a pomegranate. Mix the crushed seeds with some cold milk cream to form a paste. Then apply this paste to the lips. This should be repeated several times a week to gradually increase the pinkness of your lips. Honey and lemon mask. Mix the 2 ingredients and blend them together in a glass bowl. Apply this lip mask and leave it on your lips for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it off with warm water and follow up with a layer of lip balm. You can use this on a regular basis. Crushed rose petals lip mask. Start with soaking a few rose petals in milk overnight. In the morning, strain the petals and mash them using a pestle. Add a few drops of milk to the mashed petals to form a paste. Apply it on your lips and leave it on for a good 15 minutes. Wash with cold water. As this is a very gentle remedy, it can be used on a daily basis. Aloe vera gel mask. Take a fresh leaf of aloe vera gel, slice it from the middle. Scoop out the gel using a spoon and put it in a glass container. Add a few drops of olive oil or coconut oil into the gel. You can use this as you would use your lip balm. Store in the refrigerator. You can use this several times a day. Friends, if you have to follow all these steps, then your lips will become soft and pink. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.